City smog making your throat feel like sandpaper? Let's calm that overreactive airway. I'm Dr. Vishal Pathania. In places like Gurgaon and Delhi, PM2.5 no 2 ozone. The result? A persistent dry or wet cough, throat itch, chest tightness, even mild wheeze, often worse early morning or at night. Diagnosis uses history, ENT exam, spirometry, sometimes allergy tests. Treatment: we calm inflammation and reduce sensitivity. Inhaled bronchodilators, steroid sprays only when needed, nasal sprays and anti-allergy meds. Home fixes help big time. Steam saline gargles, N95 masks outdoors, HEPA purifiers, breathing exercises. Eat antioxidants, stay hydrated, avoid smoke. If symptoms don't improve in 2 to 3 weeks, book an ENT consult. Early care prevents chronic problems. Breathe smarter, not harder.